In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a meeting invite in Outlook. If you need to share a meeting with other people and want to make sure all the important details are included, Outlook makes that process simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create the meeting invite properly, so it's ready to be sent with the right information. As you follow along, make sure you're in the Outlook app or web version and signed into your account. To begin, open Outlook. Once it loads, look for the Calendar section. This is where you manage appointments, meetings, and invitations. Go ahead and click Calendar, so you can switch from your email view into your schedule view. This makes it easier to create and organize meeting invites in the correct place. After you're in the Calendar area, click New Event. This opens the event creation window where you can enter all the meeting details. If your Outlook layout looks slightly different, the button may still say something very similar, but the goal is to open a new calendar event. Next, enter the event name. This is the title of the meeting, so choose something clear and specific. A good event name helps everyone immediately understand what the meeting is about when they receive the invite. Keeping the title short but descriptive is usually the best approach. Now add the attendees, along with the date and time. In the attendee field, type in the email addresses of the people who should receive the invite. Then select the correct meeting date, start time, and end time. Be especially careful here because accurate scheduling helps avoid confusion and reduces the chances of people missing the meeting. If needed, take an extra moment to double-check the time zone or duration before sending. You can also write a message here. This is a useful space for adding context, instructions, or a brief note about the purpose of the meeting. For example, you might include an agenda, let attendees know what to prepare, or add any relevant meeting details. Keeping this message clear and concise can help everyone come in ready. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Send. Outlook will then send the meeting invite to all listed attendees, and the event will be added to your calendar. That's all it takes to send a meeting invite in Outlook. If you found this helpful, just follow these same steps anytime you need to create and share a meeting quickly and clearly.